Find two numbers where the sum is 90 and the product is maximum. So two numbers. So we didn't know whether these two numbers is the same number or different numbers. Okay, so let us denote with x and y. The sum is 90 means the sum of these two numbers is 90. So x plus y equals to 90. Let's say our function if fxy, the product of these two numbers means if we times these two number is going to be maximum number. So x times y. So we have a function here, okay, fxy equals to x times with y is subject to the constraint x plus y equals to 90, or we have a function gxy equals to x plus y minus 90. So this is Lagrange multiplier method. Okay, so let's use the Lagrange multiplier method to solve this problem. So let us form a new equation, fxy lambda equals to fxy plus lambda times with the gxy. Let us substitute xy plus lambda times x plus y minus 90, and if we expand, lambda x times plus lambda y minus 90 lambda. The first step is always to find the first partial order derivative, f sub x, f sub y, and f sub lambda. So f sub x first. So the f sub x is differentiate x y with respect to x is y. Differentiate lambda x with respect to x is lambda. Differentiate lambda y minus 90 lambda with respect to x is 0. F sub y equals to differentiate xy with respect to y is x. Differentiate lambda x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate lambda y with respect to y is lambda. Differentiate negative 90 lambda with respect to y is 0. So f lambda, simply copy down the constraint, which is x plus y minus 90, or you may differentiate from here. Okay, so next one is we're going to find the value of x, y, and lambda. Okay, so we have x plus lambda, let's equal with 0. We have y plus lambda equals to 0, and let's get rid of the lambda first. If we minus these two equations, x minus y, which is impossible to get rid of, okay, so just write down x minus y, but lambda minus lambda is equals to 0, equals to 0 minus 0 is always 0. So we have x equals to y. The next one is the third equation, which is x plus y minus 90 equals to 0. If we substitute our first into the second equation here, so this x or either this y is going to be x or y. Okay, so if this x becomes y plus y equals 2, I bring my 90 to the right hand side, so it become positive 90 now. So this is 2y, so y equals to 90 divided with 2 is 45. So if y equals to 45, then x will also equals to 45. So, alright, because here x equals to y. Right, now let us find the lambda. Lambda equals to, okay, let's use the third one here. Okay, x plus lambda equals to 0, so lambda equals to negative x, so negative 45. Okay, now we have a maximum point here. Okay, maximum point, which is 45, 45, negative 45. So from this question, find two numbers means that the numbers are, or you may say both numbers, x equals to 45, y is also 45. The product is maximum means we're going to find the value of our function, which is maximum value equals to fxy, and 45 times 45, or 45 square, is 2025. So that's it.